afternoon, everyone. Today I, Princey, going to give a presentation on insect pest of pulses. So before we understand and to know about insect which act as a pest for pulses, first of all, we should know about what is pest. A pest is any animal or plant which has harmful effect on humans, their food or their living condition. Basically, any animal or plant which are going to harm the human living condition are known as pest. So here are few list of insect which act as a pest for pulses are common pod borer, scientific name Helicoverpa armigera, belongs to family Noctuidae and order Lepidoptera. Second is plume moth, scientific name Exilatis etomosa, family Pterophoridae and order Lepidoptera. Third one is podfly, scientific name is Melanogromyza obtusa, family Agromyzidae, order Diptera. Fourth is stemfly. Scientific name is Ophiomya fascioli, family Agromyzidae, order Diptera. Fifth one is podbug. Scientific name Clavigrella gibbosa, family Coridae, order Hemiptera. And last one is blue butterfly. Scientific name is Lampidae boeticus, family Lycnidae, order Lepidoptera. So here we are going to study only three insects which act as a pest for pulses. First one is gram pod borer. Scientific name is Helicoverpa armigera. Belongs to family Noctuidae and order Lepidoptera. So how we identify it? So moth is stout, light yellowish brown. Forewings are pale brown with some black spot on it or dot on it. Hind wings lighter with a smoky dark margin. Caterpillar is greenish with a dark gray lines along the sides of the body. On the side of their body, there is a greenish or a dark gray lines are present in the caterpillar. Host plants are gram red, gram pea, etc. Next is life history. Uh, uh, their life is divided into egg, larva, pupa, and adult. So eggs are laid single on a tender part of a plant and leaves. Incubation period is 6 to 7 days. Larval period lasts for 2 weeks. Pupa pupation in the soil. Pupal period lasts for 1 to 2 weeks. Life cycle is completed within 5 to 6 weeks, and several generation in a year. Basically, in a year they have a several generation. So seasonal occurrence. Pests are active from November to March. Uh, this is a life cycle of Helicoverpa armigera. First of all, egg is converted into larva in 3 to 9 days, then larva to pupa in 13 to 19 days, and then pupa to the adult in 7 to 15 days. So its life cycle is completed within 5 to 6 weeks. Next one is how it damage the pulse. Nature of damage. So caterpillar feeds on the tender foliage and young pods. They make hole on the pod and damage the developing seed by inserting the anterior half portion of their body inside the pod. So it's damage the pod by inserting its anterior half portion into the pod and damage it. Next is how we can manage it by infesting that crop. So first one is plugging the field after harvest of crop would destroy the pupae nearly by 70%. Basically, uh, before harvesting the field, जो crop होगी वो destroy ना हो उसके लिए हमें प्लगिंग करनी पड़ेगी सो दैट कि 70% जो हमारा है वो सेव हो सके डैमेज होने से. Second is hand picking of caterpillar at initial stage of attack. We can also hand pick those caterpillars so that we can prevent our crop from damage. Third is NVP of Helicoverpa armigera, that is 250 LE per hectare. How we can prepare it by stock solution of 250 LE and then add into 500 liter of water and spray for 1 hectare. Basically, this solution is used, the amount of solution is used for per hectare. One hectare we can use this much of solution. Uh, Spraying with the 5% of NSKE, or we can also do using 5 pheromone traps per hectare to monitor the Helicoverpa armigera. Next is spraying the crop with the 0.05% formathion, quinolophos, fesalone, or spark 1250 ml per hectare. As soon as 5% of pods are damaged or a 2 larvae per meter row are noticed. Second one is plume moth. Now we going to talk about second insect which act as a pest is plume moth. Scientific name is Exelatis atomosa. Belongs to family Pterophoridae and order Lepidoptera. How we can identify it? Moth is cylinder in shape, 12 mm in length, gray colored with a long narrow wings. Forewings cuts into two part and hind wings into three part with a fringes like border. As you can see in the picture, uh, 12 long, greenish brown, fringe with the short hair and spines. Body have short hairs and spines on it. Host plant is red gram. Life history: egg. They laid on a tender shoot, leaf, flower or pod. Incubation period is 5 days. They incubate within 5 days and then come out from the egg. Larval period lasts for 4 weeks. Pupation on the pod surface in a pod burrow. Pupal period lasts for 2 weeks. Life cycle is completed within 7 weeks. Here is the life cycle shown below. Egg which converted into larva within 5 days, and then larva is converted into pupa within 4 weeks. Pupa is further converted into adult within 2 weeks, and this whole life cycle is completed within 7 weeks. Now, how it damages? Nature of damage. The caterpillar makes a hole into a pod opposite to the seed developing inside and then insert its head into the pod and feed on developing seeds. Basically, what it's do, the caterpillar hold the pod को वो hold करता है and then it inserts its head inside the pod and then start feeding on the seeds. When one seed is finished, the larva cut another seed and damage the another seed. When one seed is finished or damaged, the larva cut another seeds. You can see in the diagram. Next is management practices. How we can manage this pest to control from the infestation of our pulse. So avoid dense and close planting. Second is avoid early or a late sowing. Third, regular soil digging cause death of a larva. We can also use egg parasitoids, that is Trichogramma species. There are many Trichogramma species which are used to control and can be used as a management. So spray we can use is monocrotophos 36 SL at the rate of 2 ml per liter of the water. And also another spray is endosulfan 35 EC at the rate of 2 ml per liter of the water. Now we are going to talk about third insect, which is pod fly. Also scientific name is Melanogrammiza obtusa. Belongs to family Agromyzidae and order Diptera. How we can identify it? Adult fly, these are small and black fly. Maggot is a creamy white and 4.0 mm in length. Host plant, red gram and cowpea. They basically damage the red gram and cowpea. Life history includes egg. About 38 eggs are laid in a pods by female with the help of ovipositor. Incubation period is 3 days. Larval period 6 to 21 days. Pupation in the larval burrow inside the pod. Pupal period lasts for 1 to 4 weeks. Adult live for 5 to 12 days. Life cycle completed in 3 weeks. When it occurs, seasonal occurrences, adult flies are noticed in the October, and then there are 2-3 broods on a red gram until it harvest. There is a life cycle of pod fly. It completed in 3 weeks. So there are 38 eggs which are laid. at one pod. So eggs are converted into larva within 3 days. Then larva is further converted into pupa within 6 to 12 days. Pupa is further converted into adult within 1 to 4 days. And adult give rise to the eggs within 5 to 12 days. So this life cycle is completed within 3 weeks. Now, nature of damage, how it damages the crop. The maggot, after watching from the eggs, after hatching from the eggs, entered into the soft seed and feeds on them. When the maggots come out of the eggs, when egg hatches and the maggots come out, they basically feeds on the soft seeds. At first, the damage resembles so that the leaf minor as their galleries run just under the epidermis of a seed. Later, they burrow deep down, resulting in decaying of the grain. Basically, started from leaves and then they damage deep down the grain, which becomes unfit for either consumption or germination. It serves cases of damage, the pod present twisted appearance, and we can identify by seeing the pod which becomes twisted in appearance. So when the pod is twisted, it means basically it is damaged by the pest. How we can manage this pest? By using chemically, we can manage the pest by controlling organophosphate, carbamate, and synthetic pyrethroid insecticides have been evaluated for a pod fly control. To control the pod fly, we use chemicals such as organophosphate, या carbamate, या synthetic pyrethroid, which is an insecticide. So, to control this pest. Second is insecticide used to control. These are endosulfane, quinalophos, monocrotophos, dimethoate, methamidophos, and decamethrin. So these are the insecticides to control this pest. Several formation of a neem extract and karanj oil have been evaluated for the control of pod fly. Recently, it is formulated that the neem and karanj oil can be used. Basically, neem extract and the karanj oil can be used to control the pod fly. Thank you.
Very good. So, Princy, it's a very good presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you almost cover all the steps in your presentation. It's very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, in the audience, have you any query you want to ask any question to Princy? The students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So they get everything. So Princy, I want to ask you some questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like you are telling about the management practices.
Yes, ma'am.
So if we don't want to use any type of chemicals or spray or pesticides, then how we will cure these type of pests?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat it? Uh,
I am saying
yes, ma'am.
that you are telling about the management practices.
Yes, ma'am.
So if there is a pest in our crop, or if we don't interested in any type of pesticides or spray or chemicals,
Okay, ma'am.
we don't
Yes, ma'am.
want to use these types of things. So
Yes, ma'am.
how we will cure our crop, or how we will manage the things then?
Ma'am, as I have told, like plugging, we can do plugging or hand picking of those caterpillars which damages it, or by seeing the changes in the crop, like if before damaging. Um, we can like if we see those insects, those pests on the field, we can like I have told about that hand picking and all, so we can use that. I mean,
We can use what?
मैम लाइक हम हैंड पिकिंग वगैरह भी कर सकते हैं अगर अगर हमने कोई उस तरह का पेस्ट देखा हो एंड या हम प्लगिंग कर सकते हैं, या